Hello everyone, my name is Tom, and today I will talk about my celebration. My celebration is my birthday. I said then I invite all my friends come into my house and stay with me at night. We do many things like play hide and seek, play video game, and do many game we like and want to do. The main thing we do eating because it is a birthday. I mean it's alright. And then we do oversleep. That my friend and I sleep in one room and tell tell to each other about the story, scary story or creepy pasta. Okay, I like this celebration because it's my birthday and it give me one more age. Also, in my celebration and it's one of my experience in my life. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.